There are lots of car audio subwoofers you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at many of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these car audio subwoofers really helpful. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Rockville RW10CA10. The Rockville RW10CA is a powerful 10-inch active-powered car subwoofer, designed to deliver deep and dynamic bass in a compact form. With an impressive 800-watt peak power output, this slim, low-profile subwoofer is engineered to fit snugly into tight spaces, making it ideal for a range of vehicle types. The subwoofer features a built-in Class 8B amplifier that ensures high-efficiency performance and minimal distortion, providing clear and robust sound. Its advanced design includes a heavy-duty, reinforced polypropylene cone and a durable rubber surround that contribute to its exceptional sound quality and longevity. The Rockville RW10CA also includes adjustable bass boost and low-pass filter controls, allowing for customized audio settings that suit personal preferences. The included remote control makes it easy to fine-tune settings on the go. Additionally, its sleek black finish complements various car interiors, making it both a functional and stylish addition to your audio system. Number 2. Lancer 6.5 Car Subwoofer Speaker. The Lancer 6.5 car subwoofer speaker, model MAXP64, is designed to elevate your vehicle's audio experience. This subwoofer features a 6.5-inch non-pressed paper cone that ensures deep, clear bass, while minimizing distortion. The aluminum voice coil offers excellent thermal conductivity, allowing the subwoofer to handle up to 600 watts of power with ease. The 4-ohm impedance is ideal for compatibility with a range of car audio systems, providing flexibility in setup. The foam edge suspension enhances durability and maintains consistent performance over time, contributing to a robust and immersive sound quality. This subwoofer is built to deliver exceptional audio clarity and deep bass, making it a great addition to any car stereo system. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your vehicle's sound system, the Lancer MAXP64 offers reliability and superior sound performance for an enhanced listening experience on the road. Number 3. Kicker TCWC104 Comp 10. The Kicker TCWC104 Comp 10 subwoofer in a thin profile enclosure is designed to deliver exceptional bass performance while maximizing space efficiency. This subwoofer features a 10-inch comp driver that offers powerful and deep bass, ensuring a rich audio experience. The thin profile enclosure allows for versatile placement options in various vehicle types, making it ideal for those who need a compact yet high-performing audio solution. The enclosure is constructed from durable materials, providing both strength and longevity. With a 4-ohm impedance, the subwoofer is compatible with a wide range of amplifiers, offering flexibility in system configuration. Its robust design includes a heavy-duty construction to handle high power levels, while the precision tune port ensures efficient airflow and reduced distortion. The subwoofer's design includes a stylish and sleek appearance that complements any vehicle's interior. Whether you're upgrading your car's audio system or installing a new one, the Kicker TCWC104 delivers impressive sound quality and performance in a space-saving package. Number 4. Scar Audio X10D210. The Scar Audio X10D2 is a high-performance 10-inch car subwoofer designed to deliver powerful and precise bass. With a maximum power handling capacity of 400 watts, this subwoofer provides deep, resonant low frequencies that enhance your audio experience. The X10D2 features a dual 2-ohm voice coil configuration, allowing for flexible wiring options and compatibility with a variety of amplifier setups. Its robust construction includes a high-temperature 2-inch voice coil that ensures durability and consistent performance even under high-power conditions. The subwoofer's polypropylene cone and rubber surround work together to produce accurate and impactful bass, while maintaining reliability over time. The advanced cooling system of the X10D2 prevents overheating, ensuring optimal performance during extended listening sessions. Designed for easy installation, this subwoofer is ideal for car audio enthusiasts seeking to elevate their sound system with high-quality, low-frequency reproduction. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or building a new one, the Scar Audio X10D2 offers exceptional value and performance. Number 5. Rockville Punisher 12D112. The Rockville Punisher 12D1 is a high-performance 12-inch car audio competition subwoofer engineered to deliver superior bass and power. With a peak power handling of 5600 watts, this subwoofer ensures a powerful audio experience, making it ideal for those who demand the highest quality sound in their vehicle. The dual 1-ohm impedance configuration allows for flexible wiring options, ensuring compatibility with various amplifier setups. Rated at 1400 watts RMS according to C standards, it provides consistent, reliable performance, even under the most demanding conditions. The Punisher 12D1 features a robust construction designed to withstand the rigors of competition use. Its black finish not only adds a sleek, stylish look, but also enhances durability. The subwoofer's advanced cooling system prevents overheating, ensuring longevity and sustained performance. Whether you're a car audio enthusiast or competitor, the Rockwell Punisher 12D1 offers the power, reliability, and sound quality needed to stand out.